Mar neno kanyo ni giduoko chien dhungruok mabende osebedo ka nitiere ute twech ma pacho kaende. Mano endo bende en kanyo kaluwore kod jagoro mabende ochung' ne rieyo jogo eko mabende ni ute twech ma pacho kaendi, mano Salome Biko mabende yango ni koro piny owacho geto mar gero ute mayo kanyo 3,000 e ute twech ma pacho kaendi duto, mar neno ni girakore kanyo eko kod nok mag udi mayudore kuonde eko mag twech mantiere thur kaendi.
We have adopted a multi-sectoral approach using the National Council on Administration of Justice sector players, that is the judiciary, the DPP, the DCI, as well as ourselves, Kenya Prison Service and Probation and Aftercare, and we have done a lot of work in decongestion. Last year alone, through the Power of Mercy recommendations, His Excellency was able to help us decongest by releasing petty offenders to the tune of over 4,950, and that helped the numbers to come down. We are trying to adopt alternative justice system, ADR negotiations through probation and aftercare, and of course a lot of victim support, and that has been very instrumental in ensuring that we decongest progressively. One of the projects we have embarked in the correctional services is crime prevention programs. Our probation and aftercare have been going out to schools, to colleges, to churches, to talk to the young people about the vagaries of crime, and that has been very instrumental in preventing crime from occurring.
Oganda makoro bende